It's Greg here from Vanguard Motor Sales, and we've got a 55 T-Bird that's been rotisserie restored. It's a manual transmission car, and you're gonna love checking it out. It's got both tops. We're gonna put this car on the lift so you can see the beautiful bottom side. We're gonna pop the hood, fire up the motor, get out and drive it. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Thunderbird investment. So come on up and we'll check it out now. So check this 55 out, man. The chrome on the front bumper looks brand new. Bumper guards look great. Grille looks great. Emblems look great. And look at the reflection right there in that front panel, man. It looks like a black mirror. Beautiful. The chrome on the hood scoop also looks great. The hood's fitting sweet. Just a beautiful car, and of course, it's got the real wire wheels on it, man. It is slick as can be. Fender skirts. Now this is a two-top car. You can see the door jambs are nice and clean. The door panels look good. Door jambs up here are nice and clean. Carpeting's brand new. It's got a aftermarket steering wheel on it, but it does have the T-Bird steering column in it. It's a manual transmission car. The dash is all looking beautiful. Everything's looking sweet. The soft top is back here, and it is a vinyl soft top. Look at that black paint, looking sweet. We do have the hard top for the car. As a matter of fact, it's right here behind the camera guy if you want to swing around. And it's just as beautiful as the rest of the car. I'll pop open the trunk here and we'll take a look inside the trunk. Look how sweet the inside of the trunk looks. Looks like a brand new car in there. She is beautiful. And of course the chrome on the back bumper looks just as good as the chrome on the front. The lenses on the taillights and all the chrome around the taillights are looking sweet. When you look down the side of the car, the paint job on the car is straight as an arrow. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. We own every one of our cars, so you can bet we spend the time and check them out before we buy them. When we bring them back here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer any questions you have about the car. So call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he'll tell you anything you need to know about this Thunderbird. Now, I'm in charge of picking out every one of the cars here at Vanguard, and I've got about 35 years of experience messing around with these old cars. So I'm gonna put that experience to work for you to pick out your dream car. All right, let's take the T-Bird for a ride. 1955. Top comes off. Gears are shifting. She's black and beautiful. Now guys, we can deliver this T-Bird anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain the whole process to you, how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway no matter where you live in the world. Now if you want help with financing, we can help you out with financing too. We got about 3 different bankers we work with on financing. We will take care of all the paperwork for you. All you need to do is make that phone call to Tom. He will take care of everything for you. I think we're gonna flip around. We're not gonna wait on this traffic light here. Get turned around here and head back to the shop. And you know, when we get back to the shop, we're gonna do something that nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this Thunderbird up on the rack so you can see the bottom side. And that's the most important part of the car, guys. Nobody ever looks at the bottom side of the car, and that's one of the things that we do here at Vanguard. I'm constantly crawling around on my knees, looking at the bottom side of a car, checking out the foundation, making sure she's good. and we invite you to come on out. We'll get it up on the lift. We'll check it out. We do sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen, but we do invite you to come on out or send an inspector, and we will treat the inspector just like we treat you. And we are close to the airport, so if you need to fly out or if you'd like to drive out, we're open on Saturdays. We're here till 9 to 3 on Saturdays. But please give us a call, let us know you're coming. We do have 80,000 square feet and well over 200 cars in stock, so we do have to move a few around every now and then. So we want to make sure we're ready for you to come on out. We're here in Plymouth, Michigan. We always do have new inventory coming in too. We're buying about 40 new units every month, so make sure you keep a close eye on us. We've always got new stuff coming in. I'll tell you what, this bird is running good, shifting good, feeling good, looking good. Here's our shop right here, 15100 Keel Street, Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're gonna get this baby up on the lift for you right now so you can check out the underside, then we're gonna pop the hood, see what's making the power. All right, we're under this beautiful 55 bird now, and it is just as beautiful underneath. We got brand new gas tank, looks like fairly new exhaust. The frame is nicely painted, just like the outside of the car. Drop downs, bottom of the floors, also nicely painted. 390 gear in the rear end. All the brake lines are new. The guys will pull all the brakes apart, make sure they're in good working order. All the bushings back here look good. The shocks look new. I mean, I'm underneath these cars all the time. We look at several of these cars every week, and you just do not see T-birds that look this beautiful underneath. This frame has got a slick black paint job on it. The back sides of the rockers are beautiful. Floorboard's beautiful. Drive shaft's beautiful. It's got the 3-speed manual transmission in it with the stock bell housing, the stock clutch linkage. It's got stock power steering on it. It's got the stock brakes up front also, and again, the guys will pull them apart, make sure in good working order. Looks like brand new ball joints. I mean, look at all the new parts under here. I tell you what, if you buy this T-Bird, you're gonna need to buy some mirrors too, because you're gonna wanna show off the beautiful underside of this car. It's got a sway bar up front too. And of course, real wire wheels, guys. I tell you, it's all my dad used to talk about back in the day, is these Kelsey Hayes wire wheels. Let's see if I can find a size on the tire anywhere. There's a lot of writing on this thing. All right, my cameraman's got better eyes than me. It's in real little writing right there. 2 1570 15s, and look at that paintwork, man. Right down to the bottom edge, slick as can be. The paintwork on the frame looks as good as the top side. You see all the shims look new. Brake lines, fuel line, everything brand new on this car. Like I said, I look at hundreds of these cars. You don't see these cars this beautiful. Fender skirts, and of course, same size tire in the back, same good looking wire wheels. The chrome on these babies is looking sweet. Now let's get under the hood and see what's making power. All right, under the hood here, we've got a 1964 casting on a 292. It's got a Holley 4000 4-barrel carburetor on it. It's got the Thunderbird special aluminum valve covers all polished up. It does have power steering, and it does have power brakes also. Everything under here is looking sweet. Now you can see that it's got a small battery in it. We actually have the correct battery on order for it. So when we park this dream in your driveway, it's gonna have a brand new battery in it. All the wiring looks like it's brand new. All the hoses look brand new. All the bushings in the suspension look new. All the nuts and bolts look new. I mean, this is one amazing car. Take this car anywhere and be proud of it, guys. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.